Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're just joining me, welcome. I know it has been a while, but don't worry, I'm coming in with the videos. Alright guys, so I will be showing you the most beautiful cushion pillow covers that was sponsored to me by Generic Store and Amazon. Guys, these are the most beautiful, when I say the most beautiful covers I've ever seen. I bought them because I want to use them for the Christmas. So I have this one. It says let it snow. See? The texture of it is great. Look, like, you know, some of them, they're easily to be ripped, but these, they're durable. Guys, I really like the material. The quality is nice. The prints are beautiful. This one, it has like 3 colors. It's a plaid material here, and it has red, black, and white. So beautiful. The texture is great. Guys, I have this one. Baby, it's cold outside. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Well, as for this, I already attached it onto my cushion that I have. As you know, whenever you have cushions, they tend to get dirty, or yes, it just need to be replaced. So ta-da, look at that. And I also have another one. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. But this one says I wish you a Merry Christmas. Guys, you need to get these cushions if you really need some texture in your life, like real quality, okay? Quality over quantity. These are so beautiful. So I've received 4 pillow cushions and I'm loving them, guys. I'm just gonna attach them and put them right here because I have 2 cushions that I bought. I have these from like 2018, 2019, and man, I love these. But these are not from Generic right now, but I have these just to match with what I have here. Okay, so I'm just gonna put them all together and let you see. As for one of them, it won't be attached because I need another cushion, of course. Look how beautiful these covers are. Oh my gosh, it gives my room life. Look at that, guys. So beautiful. These cushions that I have, these cushion covers that I have, they're 18 by 18. And the cushion that I have is 18 by 18 also. So yes, it does fit an 18 by 18 cushion, okay? So just be careful of what you're buying, the size and length. All right, okay guys, so that is it for this short video. I hope you enjoy it. Visit Amazon, the Generic Store. The link will be in the description down below. So guys, please check them out. See you in my next video. Like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell to be notified. Love y'all. Bye. Mwah.